Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the product key and the Microsoft account tied to Office. This prevents activation mismatches. Once done, disconnect any VPN or proxy because activation checks rely on direct network queries. Make sure you run the activation or repair steps as an administrator so files and registry entries can be changed. Also back up critical documents before modifying Office. That avoids accidental data loss. With those essentials set, proceed to the built-in repair tool to fix corrupted activation files. You now run the built-in repair. Control Panel, Programs, select Office 2013, change, then choose Online Repair for a thorough fix because it replaces corrupted components. If that does not restore activation, open an elevated command prompt and use OSP. VBS commands to rearm and relicense. These reset licensing tokens and force Office to request a new activation. Also inspect Task Scheduler and the Office Software Protection Platform Service. If they are disabled, enable. You finish by signing back into Office using the exact Microsoft account associated with your license, then enter the product key if prompted. This ties the installation to your account for cloud validation. Make sure Windows updates are installed and reboot so underlying components are current. If activation still fails, record the exact error code and try the rearm command once more. This often clears stale tokens. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with the code so they can verify entitlement and unlock activation on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.